South Africa will end being ruled by Muslim people. Islam will spread its wings over South Africa. The country of Lesotho will lose its sovereignty. The land of the Basutos will be stolen from them. The land of the Swazis will fall and become subservient to South Africa. So will Mozambique.
I've been very traumatized, but there's a back-end story to this. This is not the first plane. This is the second plane. On the 28th of October, a plane arrived in Tambo Airport, and these people were displaced. They didn't know where to go. They had no contact numbers, no phone numbers. And a person called Nigel Bentley from the church found them and started putting them together with other civil society organizations, and members of my team got involved. I'm not sure how they.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Law. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. You guys, a prophecy which was spoken many years ago by the late Credo Mutwa is doing its round once again. You guys, now a prophecy where he said he saw South Africa being ruled or greatly influenced by Muslims in the future. You guys, and today in 2025 we are seeing the rise of reports of undocumented people from Palestine arriving in the country in South Africa. About 160 undocumented refugees, you guys. Many of them are claiming refugee statuses, you guys. So the question is this connected to the prophecy which is said by the late Credo Mutwa, you guys? Is this just a coincidence, or is it something unfolding spiritually behind the scenes? Recently, South Africa has seen a noticeably increase in people coming from Palestine, many of them arriving without proper documentation. Some claims they are escaping war, some say they are seeking protection, and South African communities are asking, what does this mean for the nation? What does this mean for their future? We're not here to judge anyone. We're here to look at what's happening spiritually and prophetically. Now, Credo Mutwa, who's a famous traditional healer and a prophet, spoke about a future where South Africa would experience a strong influence of foreign nationals and foreign religions. He specifically mentioned seeing Muslims rising into position of power and influence in South Africa politically, socially, and spiritually. Now, he didn't say this in a hateful or negative way. He simply reported a vision, a time where the leadership, the culture, or the direction of the country would shift in a way connected to Islam. He spoke about foreign national entering South Africa in large numbers and how this movement would eventually shape the nation in very unexpected ways. Now, as we see the wave of undocumented people from Palestine arriving, some people are asking, are we seeing the early signs of that prophecy? Is this migration just a humanitarian issue or part of a larger spiritual chapter in South Africa's story? Guys, what do you think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section regarding that old prophecy. Do you think it's what is currently happening with Palestine, the 160 Palestinians who are in the country undocumented? Do you think that one day there'll be a shift whereby we see Muslim people ruling and running the government? Please do engage them with me in the comment section down below. Also like and of course to share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking on this one and deciding on watching this. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.